Our science and math curriculum utilizes a personalized website for each student, and we are going to show you how to access that website today. You'll first want to log on to your computer and go to connected.mcgraw-hill.com. When you come to this screen, you will want your child's username and password, and the easiest way to know that username and password is it is just your child's first name, underscore, last name. The password is password with a number 1, and don't forget to capitalize the P. Once you're into the website, you will see that there are 2 textbooks available. We have the Everyday Mathematics textbook and the Inspire Science textbook as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to navigate Inspire Science. Now this is for 5th grade, but 4th grade and 3rd grade will also have access to these textbooks, and most 2nd graders have access as well. This is the screen that you will enter, and we have a couple different areas I will go over. The first one will be the menu screen, so we're going to go ahead and click this drop-down box. It has a lot of different choices. Connect Ed will take you right back to the math book and the science book. There are a handful of resources that your child might want to go search for or look at. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto that one. As you can see, we have different modules that your child will be learning throughout the year. You will want to know which module your child is learning in school so you can access the correct page. And then you will also want to know which lesson they are learning as well. One of the items that you will need for all the modules is the science handbook, and I will show you how to get to that since it's a little confusing. You'll go to the keyword search and you will type in science handbook. Whoops. And it will pop up over here. There are 2 choices. We have one in Spanish and one in English. And when you click on that, this will be the textbook that your child uses at school and at home. We do not have any printable handbook available. We have the online handbook. So they can go in, it's just like a normal textbook, table of contents, and a lot of different words. We have some career kids that your child might be familiar with. Okay. So my thought is you might want to go ahead and mark this as a favorite, and to mark that as a favorite you would click the star and it puts it in the favorite box so you don't always have to go and search for the science handbook. Another part of the Inspire Science is the student lesson. They can click on here, and this is just another couple activities that they can navigate through. There'll be vocabulary words, and these are some of the things that they're doing at school during science class.
And as you go on to the math website, go ahead and click. You have a to-do list, a My Files, messages, and a place where you can see more of the activities. I'll first click on the math site. On here, it will tell you the lesson that that your child is on that day. Over here to the right is the student reference book. I'll show you a couple of the sites where your child would probably use it the most at home. The student reference book is they bring their home links this year home. Many times they forget their student reference book. If you click on it, you could find the page that they're on with the lesson that they're on for that day. And it's just like the printable copy that we do have in our classrooms. Many teachers have the child bring their printable copy home as well. Also, there's a toolkit. Many times, especially in the geometry sections, the toolkit comes in handy. It has a calculator that you can mark down here, all kinds of different useful tools. Another place that the students really love are the everyday math games. We play these within each of our units, and they're the same ones that we do in class. And they're very easy to navigate. Here's one of their favorites, the Top It. and they can play with someone or themselves. Sometimes there might be a teacher that has assignments given. You can always click on favorites, and it's a neat site just to navigate around.